This is our number 43 in our review for section 7, where we're asked to determine the length of side A either using the law of sines or the law of cosines. What I notice when I look at this graph and this triangle and the information given in it, I notice that I'm given an angle, another angle, and a side. And I want to be able to use one of our laws to determine the length of another side. And so angle, angle, side is a situation where we can use the law of sines. I want to solve for a side, and that side that I want to solve for is side A. So I'm going to need to take side A and put it over the sine of angle A, which has to be the angle that is opposite it, which is 72 degrees. Then I have to set that equal to another ratio, and the other ratio has to include both a side and an opposite angle whose measures are both known. Well, in this case, that's the 192.6 side, and the angle opposite it is the 80-degree angle. If we didn't know the angle opposite it, we could take 180 minus the two angles that were given and find the angle opposite it. But in this case, we know the angle opposite it. So now to solve for A, it's being divided by the sine of 72, so I'm going to multiply by the sine of 72 to get A alone. And then it's just a matter of substituting that into my calculator. And when I do so, I find that A is equal to 185 and 999 thousandths. Millimeters.